My name is Geoffrey Allen. I'm here today from Mersus Technologies at the event, and just to recap on what Mersus do, we have an animation studio that animates for industry. So we create immersive experiences, augmented and virtual reality, all working towards building digital twins. So we sit down with companies and assess their data and see how they can help with their digital transformation. Because basically when a company has so much data, a lot of them have problems finding where the real value is. So from experience and whatever, we have various products. We can visualize the data. We can start putting people in immersive situations for training. Another application that we use is for augmented work instructions, that an operator can walk around the building and he can check to see various details, and he has it all on the convenience of a database on his phone. Ultimately, the plan is to build that into situations where that can link directly into live data and stuff like that. But that's the holy grail for me and every enterprise company around. So, but at the end of the day, we help customers find value. The answer to that is all companies are slow, and the bigger the enterprise, the slower the enterprise. And we target enterprise level companies. We have customers, a Swedish multinational called Camfil and a German engineering company, Siemens. And as well as that, we work with Element 6 and Shannon, who are also interested in exploring this. But there's a perception out there in the market that everyone is deploying this. That's not the case. The bigger the company, the bigger the less risk they will take. And a lot of these companies, if it ain't broke, don't fix it. So they're not willing to adopt this. They see it as expensive and not right for them right now.